Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create flyers for the marketing. So first of all let me go here and type canva.com. Then after that here you can see you can create different documents, presentations, social media, as well as if you want to create flyers for the marketing, then you can go here and type marketing. Then after that press enter, scroll down, and now here you can see these are the different flyers and thumbnails. So you can select any of these. For example, let me select this one and then scroll down. You will get more options to select any of these from here. For example, let me select this one, and after that you can customize any of the template. So now simply you can click on any of the text to change anything. For example, let me add here enable website design, and after that you can sort the text and font size. Let me reduce the font size. You can add any of the text that you want, and you can also change the button text as well as phone numbers and website. So now if you want to replace this image, how you can do that? Simply you can go on upload button, then you can simply upload the files from here. Let me add from existing files. Let me select one of these, then drag the image, and now here you can see image is automatically selected. So after that you can zoom in and out. Then final step is you can export your file in your desired format. You can directly share your files by using link. So you can go and click on download button to download the file in different formats. You can also increase the file size, quality, and after that click here download button. So file will be downloaded into your laptop.